Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize using Azure Key Vault to manage VM secrets, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize using Azure Key Vault for managing VM secrets, start by logging into the Azure portal. Navigate to the resource group where your virtual machine is located. Select the virtual machine you want to configure. In the left-hand menu, click on Identity. Ensure that the system-assigned managed identity is turned on. Once enabled, copy the object ID that appears. Next, open a new tab and navigate to the Key Vault service in Azure. If you don't have a Key Vault created yet, click on Create Key Vault. Fill in the necessary details including the subscription, resource group, and Key Vault name. After your Key Vault is created, select it from the list. In the Key Vault settings, navigate to the Access Policies section. Click on +Add Access Policy to create a new policy. In the Secret Permissions dropdown, select the permissions required for your VM. Under Select Principal, click on None Selected and search for the managed identity of your VM. Add the managed identity and click on Select. Review your access policy settings and click on Add. Finally, click Save to apply the changes. Return to your virtual machine settings. Ensure that the correct Azure Role-Based Access Control (RBAC) permissions are applied for the VM to access the Key Vault. Once the Key Vault is configured, open your application running on the VM. You can now retrieve secrets stored in the Key Vault by using the Azure SDKs or the REST API. Make sure to handle exceptions and errors properly when accessing the secrets. Test the setup to confirm that your application can successfully access the Key Vault secrets. Monitor the access logs in the Key Vault for security auditing. You have successfully authorized Azure Key Vault to manage VM secrets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.